Hey gamers, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get Filza for your iPhone. So this is an app. It lets you use like Apple File Manager. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So all you got to do really is go to hexmods.com. So on this site, guys, you will see a lot of apps. And what we're going to do is just go and type Filza, then press the download button, and before it downloads is going to be one more step, which is the verification. So we need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, and this will install Filza into our phone, guys, so you can do all the file managing. So as you can see, it says missing files, so we just need to download some of these. So like Family Island, you got to reach level 9. It's a game, so I could do that. Travel Town, Evertail, you got to down run for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be good to go, and that's how I get Filza. I can't tell you for sure what apps are going to show up here, though. So there could be different ones, but yeah, just make sure you download 2 of them, and you're going to be all set. So that's how to get Filza for your device. Super cool, guys, and it actually works. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to try it out. It's super cool. You can see right here, Filza is working, guys. So that is super awesome. So yeah, hexmods.com. That's the website, guys, where you can download this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, but definitely try it out for yourself, because a lot of people are going to be looking for a way to get Filza for iOS, and I think I found the real way to do it. Without a computer, without a jailbreak, none of that bullshit. Nobody wants to go through that. So yeah, this is not really for basic people. It's for people that want to explore their file manager. But yeah, try it out.